All right, so today we're going to be working on a percent from a figure. So what I need you to know about percent is that just means out of 100. So whenever we're talking about percents, we're talking out of 100%. This is pretty common. The highest grade you can typically have in a class is a 100. And I like to equate it to money as well because percent is also part of money. Cent is how much each penny is worth. And in $1, there are 100 cents. So that's another way to remember it. A big thing with percent is to remember the symbol, which looks like this. It is two little circles with a slash through the middle, almost like a sideways fraction. In order to represent that you are making a percent number, you need to make sure that your sign is there. If it's not, it is incorrect. So the directions say to calculate the percentage of the shaded region for each figure. So we're going to look at each figure and figure out what percentage, or out of 100, are shaded. These are fairly easy because each figure is 100 boxes, 10 across and 10 up and down. That also makes it a little easier for counting in examples like number 1. So let's go ahead and start counting in number 1. So I'm going to count. I notice that I have the tens rows, so I'm going to just go straight down 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So right now, I have 70 over here, and I'm going to count those individual ones. I am very careful to make sure that I click on each one and put a little dot on there so I am fully aware of how many I have and I can carefully count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 70 plus 11 would give me my answer of 81 total, and that would be percent because it is out of 100. Be very careful when you're going through this to make sure you place dots like I did over in this section because it helps you count each individual square, especially number 2 where things get a little bit crazy in the picture. Make sure you're counting them and counting them correctly because if it's even one wrong, your answer is now incorrect. Also, don't forget to put that percent sign.